Hello, kids! Today, let's learn living room words with Bunny. Are you ready? This is a living room. Living room. This is a sofa. Sofa. This is a TV. TV. This is a table. Table. This is a lamp. 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 This is a window. Window. This is a picture. Picture. This is a plant. Plant. This is a clock. Clock. This is a bookshelf. Bookshelf. Great job! You learned living room words today. See you next time. Bye-bye.